In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert video files using VLC Media Player. VLC isn't just a free media player, it's also a powerful video conversion tool that works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Whether you want to change a video to MP4, AVI, or WebM, or make a file compatible with your phone, TV, or editing software, this method is fast, free, and easy. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once VLC is open, look at the top menu bar and click on Media. From the drop-down menu, select Convert/Save. This will open the Open Media window where you can choose the file you want to convert. Next, click the Add button on the right side of the window. Browse your computer and select the video file you want to convert. Then click Open. You'll see the file appear in the list. If you want to convert multiple files, you can add more here, but for this example, we'll stick to one file. Once your file is added, click the Convert/Save button at the bottom. Now you'll see the Convert window. This is where you choose the output format. Look for the Profile drop-down menu. Click it and you'll see a list of formats like MP4, AVI, WebM, and more. For most users, MP4 is the best option because it works on almost every device and platform. Select the profile that matches the format you want. If you need advanced control, you can also customize profiles, but the default ones work great for most situations. After choosing your profile, move down to the Destination section. Click the Browse button to choose where you want to save the converted file. Select a folder, type a name for your new file, and make sure the file extension matches the format you selected, like .mp4. Then click Save. Once everything is set, click the Start button to begin the conversion process. VLC will now start converting your video. You'll see the progress bar moving at the bottom of the VLC window. The time it takes depends on the size of the file and your computer's speed. When the conversion finishes, VLC will stop automatically. Navigate to the folder you selected earlier and you'll find your converted video ready to use. That's all there is to it. You've successfully converted a video file using VLC Media Player, completely free and without installing any extra software. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.